Welcome Universe and Unidata customer using a token-based authentication connection for all U2 clients. It can be used for UO.NET, U2 Toolkit, UOJ, JDBC, and ODBC connection. And this YouTube video will explain on why and also give you the quick demo to using this token-based connection. It's pretty simple way to make a connection to U2 server, but just for U2 clients only. But some parameter make sure it's setting correctly. So why we need using token-based authentication? When you using on the web application or maybe in the client server, but inside the local network, might be it's okay to run a client server application. So basically, you just need to set in the token base can be for all the user or application. It will map into the system always the username password. But this is less security. So if you want to use in this way the authentication, make sure for your network environment to set it correctly to make sure it's less secure. So, but it's more convenient on the web application. So you can find the documentation in the security feature on Universe and Unidata menu set. On the Universe will be in the chapter 6. On the Unidata will be chapter 8. When you create a credential wallet, the name will be called .u2CRED WLT. Universe will be in the UV home directory. Unidata will be created on the sys folder. For the allow the service, make sure for Universe will be UVCS and UV server is uppercase. This the parameter is fixed. It's not the same regular network service name. So don't be confusing for that Uni RPC service configuration file, the setting. The UVCS will be apply all the .NET UO.NET connection. If you set in the service called UV server, it will allow you to connect all the UCI server connection. Same thing for Unidata. The service name will be only UDCS or UD server. And token type, always 2 for the customer to set it. So how to create it? Pretty simple. If you from beginning, you might be just run the CRED command minus the initial. So it might be want to set the password for your credential wallet. Also have option to set the tag is machine tag. When you if you move the credential wallet file from one machine to the other machine, you must be retag. Otherwise, you won't allow you to move credential wallet from one machine to the other. So it's just couple command and couple parameter setting. So pretty simple to use. Just follow the documentation instruction. You can initialize and add and edit and delete and list and retag. So also you can use a very simple way to create the credential manager. You can have 3 way. You can run it from the command on the DOS window or Unix environment to create it, running the create main command. Also, you can use in the file, so you can you want to create a new token ID. You can create a file, just running the create main minus add minus file and give it a file name. Here, just an example to create a token ID called U2. That's the token password, not OS password, and you want to map to particular your OS username. And allow service, you can set the UDCS or UD server, or you can UDCS common UD server. So you can multiple service setting. So also you can using the XMN tool to set in your credential management environment. So next, I just give you the quick demo to explain how to using the credential manager. So first, if you have installed the XMN tool, so XMN tool, you can connect to your server. For here, I just install Unidata setting. Inside the Unidata connection using XMN tool, they have a credential. So I already have set up a couple token U2 token ID like U96, 97, 98, 99. So I all mapping the same user OS user account called pchain. Another is called Allow Service USC because that's Unidata connection. So it's only two options you have for UDCS, a common UD server, or maybe just make a UDCS or UD server. So you can run it from here, or maybe you want to use in the command line to show you how to use it. So I already have Unix and Windows to show you. So here is the basically that is for one Linux box we have for demo connection. So first time you might be want to run the command space manage initial, and then you can to create the file. So I already done before before the demo. So idea is pretty simple. Just run the command. So after you run the initial command, and it will give you for this machine. Basically, I just run this command. So called a credential minus initial. After you create it, so you run this command. So basically, you will create the dot u2 cred wrt file. So you will generate this file. So after you create this, run the initial command, then you need to create the ID. ID will be this way. You can run command something like this. That's the command. So if I want to create another one, I can add from the here. So you can create another one. So that's the credential 2. So they will create the VI to allow you to add another password. For example, you can using the same U2. That's the token password. Then I can add, I can map in the OS ID. I just send my OS ID service. So this one, I will be UDC. This for is a UV service. So I will be UVCS. So I save it. So you will see that I create a new one. Original, actually I already have one. So credential, you will see before demo, I already created this one. I just added another one called UVCS. So for this one, you will see UVCS and UV server. But second one, I only allow you to run the UVCS. So for example, I already have a application is for UO .NET connection. So it's for Universe. There's an option for Universe. Actually, you will see the service name called lowercase UVCS. But for credential management, you must be defined as uppercase UVCS. So for here, I call U2 token ID mapping to pchain user. So if I make it to UVCS, so you will see the is connected. It's fine. So if I disconnect, I already just created another one, and so I can get the token ID. I get another one. It is fine. I just connect it. So it's pretty simple to use. Then I want to show you another one. Is using UCI connection. They're using uh, same Linux box machine. Then using this one original, because I allow you to connect the UVCS and UV server, so it's fine. You can see it's working fine for that's the UCI connection. So I can run the SQL statement. So you see working fine. If I want to connect to second token ID, code ID, but this one only allow you to UVCS, then you will see the error. So it just only allow you to make UVCS and not UV server. So you will see the service name called UV server, but it's not allow you to running for UV server. So this just for Universe demo. The next, I would like to demo on Unidata on the Windows 11 machine. So on the Windows side, you will be here's I already created just a very simple command. So they have pretty simple. So this on Unidata one. On the Unidata, you have I already created. So if you already have that's the my Unidata server is Unidata 824. After I create it, basically it just created called .u2ciedwrt is under 6 folder. So after this one, I run initial command, so I can run bin is credman. You can see my environment already set up the full connection. So you also can see the same setting on the XMN tool. So it take a while. Yeah, it's come back. So you'll see on the token ID U99 will be only allow UDCS. 98 will be UD server. UD 97 UDCS or 96 UDCS UD server. You can either one make a connection. So after you set up everything is correct. So here's just I have another program to show you connect is a Unidata on local machine on the Windows side. So I can make a connection. It's just for 96 is 96 is for UDCS, so it's fine. So I can run the unit command to show you its version is 824. Very similar. It's the this one actually is a UCI connection. Is using YouTube Toolkit UCI, and you can do the same thing for JDBC connection, like ODBC connection. You also can do the same thing testing using the credential management U2 token connection. So basically, it's pretty simple. Just run the SQL statement and show you a quick demo. So it's pretty simple. If you are brand new connection, I also like to show you very quick for Universe on my local machine. So I already installed it, but I can basically I can delete it. So basically that's my uh, so basically for here I already have uh, for here already have this one, so I can rename it. Rename. So after I delete it, then I come back to run the. I can switch to UV. So if I run it, I see REDMAN. So it's no wallet on my universe environment. So I can run the initialize. So it just created. So you can check that UT something UTCRED WLT. So just create it. But if you do the same thing for list, so it's nothing there. So we just need to create the. You can very easy to add the new token ID. So you can set. I want to add ID. I just want to add the new U2 token ID. Basically, you can take a while to uh, you were using your system default uh, editor. So basically, it's something like this one. So after this, I can using syntax password, and I can using same. You can save it. So after that, you can see. So it just create a new U2 token ID. It's pretty simple to use. So after you set up environment correctly, then you can very easy to use. So hopefully you using this the YouTube video to show you how to work with the YouTube credential management. Thank you for your watching.